Jeff here, exc-f. Hey, today's video is going to be a pretty quick video. I just got off work, so I'm going to get my Rekluse clutch that I just picked up. I'm going to get it unpacked. We're going to look and see what comes in the box. And we're going to go ahead and get it installed on the bike. I am not going to do an installation video on this particular upgrade to the bike because Rekluse actually does a fantastic job of videoing how to do it, and there's no making it any better. I mean, they did a fantastic job. What I'll do is I will go ahead and I will put a link to their webpage for the directions on a 690 installation down in the description. If you guys want any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. If you haven't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get set up. We're going to unbox this thing and we'll see what's in there. Alright, as promised, here we go. We're going to go ahead and cut into this bad boy and see what we see. I'm super excited. It's been a long time since I've bought anything pretty cool for the bike. And actually, I want to give a shout out to my wife because it was my wife that ended up picking this up for me as a surprise. Because I have been too, how would I put it? I haven't wanted to pull the trigger on it just because I didn't know if it was needed or not. But for those that don't know, I hit a deer on my Tiger in October of 2018. So I tore up my elbow pretty good. So it kind of limits the amount I can ride. That's the reason why I went with the 690, because it was a light bike that I could handle easily, and that was the whole purpose of me starting the adventure build that I want to do. As far as putting all this stuff a big heavy adventure bike would have on my bike, you know, I can't physically, if I get in trouble by myself, I don't know per se I could lift it up if I needed to. So that's why I started the idea, start with a light bike, maybe add 30 pounds worth of stuff to it, but I'm going to take the pipe off, I'm going to replace the pipe. I've gotten rid of the canister, the SAS. I've shaved quite a bit of weight off of it, but I've gained weight as well. So anyways, enough with me rambling. Let's get on to the Rekluse clutch. So you got your stock. Be sure to read and understand all the documents that are included with your product. Read safety warnings. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so here you got your packet of all your good stuff. Looks like your safety information. Read me first. Who reads directions? You got them on a laptop, but we'll read them anyway. That's what I say now. Alright, so you got all this stuff. Oh, you got some stickers here. Hello. And a little sticker. Auto clutch. Okay, so here is the golden ticket right here. This is what makes everything work. So you get your auto discs, I guess is what they call them, followed by you get new clutch plates, friction discs, and then your steels. Let's just put it back in the right way. I don't want to damage anything. And then your slave cylinder, clutch master cylinder, whatever you want to call it. It's slave cylinder with the gasket. Alright. And then all the little goodies that come with it. Don't want to make too big of a mess. A couple O-rings with some grease. These are the retention bolts that you're going to want to use when you put the clutch together to hold it together. I believe these are the straps that they were talking about to check the play of the clutch lever. It might be this, I'm not sure yet. The directions that I watched didn't say anything about these. I'm assuming these are replacements. Different colors are probably for different tensions to fine-tune the auto plate. And then your guides that go in the clutch basket before you install the new friction and clutch plates. I guess they're supposed to prevent scarring or so forth. And then, okay, there's only 4 clutch springs. Everything I've ever worked on has always had 5. So maybe I just, saw it in the video and they're only supposed to be 4. I believe that sounds about right. But everything I've always worked on has always had 5. So, we got our springs. We have our bands, I guess. I'm not sure because it was more of a rubber band, which I'm thinking that's what this is right here. Extra springs, O-rings, the stickers. I don't think they went in there. I don't remember. No, they didn't. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get her flipped on her side because we're not going to do the oil. They say if you lay it on the side that you can pretty much do it without draining your oil. I want to say thank you for taking the time to check out my channel and watch this video, regardless of how boring it is, because this is going to be the most boring video I've probably done to date. There will be more, I promise. Anyway, if you haven't had a chance yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for future notifications, as we're going to be coming up on quite a few more mods that I'm going to do to this bike. Riding season's right around the corner. You don't want to miss any of the rides that we're going to be doing. We've got quite a few planned. I was fortunate enough to be chosen to put the route together for the 2020 Redneck Ramble here in Texas. So keep an eye out for that to come up. That is May 2nd and 3rd in Paris, Texas. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description as well. I'm going to be leading a group. At least I'm going to try and lead a group. It's going to be a lot of fun. That's just one of the rides that we're doing this year. I do a lot of weekend, just get out of town rides. Anyway, I'm rambling on here and I don't like making long videos. So again, thanks for watching and you guys have a blessed day.